Okay, now the FIR filter is done. The next step is you need to calculate. So step 5 is magnitude response. Question, they have asked for a magnitude response. So what we do is that we'll take the equation we got in step A, the equation A. This equation I'll be just taking it. Okay, so h of z is equal to z power minus 5 into 0.75 minus 0.204 z plus z inverse minus 0.104 z square plus z power minus 2 minus 0.026 z cube plus z power minus 3. This step we'll just take. Now what we are going to do is that substitute z is equal to e power j omega. What happens? H of e power j omega is equivalent to, okay, so you'll get e power minus 5j omega into 0.75 minus 0.204. See here, e power j omega plus e power minus j omega, you can put it as 2 cos omega minus 0.104. Here we'll get 2 cos 2 omega, okay, again minus 0.026, it will be 2 cos 3 omega. Okay, so now when you take the magnitude of h of e power j omega, we want only the magnitude. Okay, we want to make a magnitude plot, so this will become 1, so this will be there 0.75 minus, if you multiply it becomes 0.408 cos omega minus 0.208 cos 2 omega minus 0.052 cos 3 omega. This is my h of e power j omega. Now in this in this part, what we'll do is we'll take different values of omega. Okay, for different values of omega, you calculate h of e power j omega, magnitude of h of e power j omega. Okay, you can also convert that into decibels. You can also convert h of e power j omega into decibels. Okay, so for different values of omega, so say start from 0, 30, 45, 60, 90, 120, 150 and 180, different values. You have to calculate the value of h of e power j omega. So we'll be getting 0.082, 0.292, 0.498, 0.702, 0.963, 1.006, 1 and 1.002. And if you convert this into decibels, it is minus 21.72, minus 10.6, minus 6.65, minus 8.07. Okay, and sorry, so it is minus 3.07, minus 3.07, minus 0.3726, it becomes 0.052, this is 0 and this is 0.017. Okay, so you need to make a plot like this. So from 0 you can put 30, 45, 60, 90, Okay, 120, 150 and 180. So here you can have in decibels, so it is 0. So we can have minus 5 decibels, minus 10 decibels, minus 15 decibels, minus 20 decibels. Okay, so your curve will something look like this. Okay, upon 150 it will become 0. Okay, this is how my high pass filter magnitude response will look like. So these are all the different parts of the question. Okay, so